Welcome! Today I'm showing how to hide photos into a gallery in your HUAWEI P50 Pro. First of all, open your gallery and then go into photos and, for example, choose some photos, maybe this one. Then on the bottom right corner we got more options. Click here and press hide. Hide these items, confirm operation, click OK. And now for opening these photos, go into album. And in the top right corner we got 4 dots, so click it and choose hidden items. And here we got our all hide photos in our gallery. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.